In this Python NiceGUI tutorial, we will learn how we can use the radio element. We will also make an example of the toggle element we learned in the previous lesson. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video. First, I will add an image object to the web page. I am creating a variable. I will use these images in the project. You can access the images from the GitHub link I added to the description of the video. I send the man image file to the image function. I save the code file and run the program. You can go to this address using a web browser. I added the image object to the web page, but it is big in size. I will reduce the size of the image object a little bit. I can do this using the class's function. I am saving the code file. I reduced the size of the image object. Instead of man, I will show the woman image file on the web page. I am saving the code file. I added the woman image object to the web page. Now I will add another visual object. I am creating a variable. I add the England image object to the web page. I am saving the code file. Two image objects were added to the web page. I add the USA image to the web page instead of England. I am saving the code file. I added the image objects to the web page. Now I will add the toggle element to the web page. First, I delete the files in the image functions. I am creating a variable. I'm sending a list to the toggle function. The members of the toggle object will be man and woman. I am saving the code file. I added the toggle object to the web page. I want the appropriate image to be shown when I click on the toggle objects. I can do this using the onChange feature. I send the value of the toggle gender object to the setSource function. I add the PNG extension at the end. I am saving the code file. The image is displayed on the web page depending on the toggle object I select. Now I will add the radio button object. I am creating a variable. The members of the radio button object will be England and USA. I am saving the code file. I probably made a mistake. I wrote the name of the radio function wrong. I'm fixing it. I am saving the code file. I added radio button objects to the web page. I want the appropriate image to be shown when I click on the radio button objects. I can do this using the onChange feature. I send the value of the radio country object to the setSource function. I add the PNG extension at the end. I am saving the code file. Images are displayed on the web page according to the toggle and radio button objects I choose. In this video, we learned how to use radio and toggle elements. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video.